Life was good in Nazareth. Everything was back on track. Mary and Joseph were married, and everyone was getting ready for the wonderful baby to be born. However, there was news on the way. Oh, excuse me. Oh, there we go again.
There's someone at the door.
How do you know?
Open up in the name of the Emperor of Rome.
So there is. Now, ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention, please? No, get your own. I am an officer of the official Roman army, and I am achoo! Oh, what?
Bless you.
I am bearing an official declaration from His Highness, the Emperor Caesar Augustus, the greatest ruler in history. So far. What was it? Nothing. Achoo! Oh dear.
Are you all right?
I think it's this rotten country. I must be allergic to it. I wish I was back home. Anyway, I am here to tell you that the Emperor has declared that a census be taken of the entire Roman world. Oh, what? A census. It means you have to count all the people to see how many there are. Oh, well, there's only one of me. Quite. I suppose technically there are two of her.
He means it's like a giant register?
That's right. Oh. Oh. Achoo!
Bless you.
Now, there's just one more thing. In order to be counted, everyone must return to their original hometown. God, a minute. I was born in Bethlehem. That's miles and miles away from here. Hey, he's taken leave of his census. I don't make up the rules. Do we have a choice? Oh, yes. Oh, you can take part in the census, or be thrown in a prison for the rest of your miserable little lives. Oh, can I think about it?
We'll go.
Now, every single person must take part in this census, or else.
We'll do as we're told.
Good. I knew you'd come to your census. What are we going to do? We can't go travelling all the way to Bethlehem. Not with a baby due to be born so soon. Oh, this is terrible.
I know.
There must be some sort of mistake.
God doesn't make mistakes. We just have to trust him.
Oh, I suppose. Although I'm not too keen on his sense of timing.
It'll be all right.
Oh, looks like we've got a journey to go on.